to Neena's Thai Kitchen. For today's episode of Ranch Recipe, we're going to cook grilled rack of lamb with Panang curry. Father's Day is coming. I hope that this dish will make all the dads that love lamb and grilled meat. Enjoy it. Happy Father's Day.
First, cut off excess fat. I like to leave some fat so that when you grill it, you will get some fatty flavor. I will use this excess fat to cook the Panang curry later. Next, poke it to get the marinade flavor into the meat. We're going to start the marinade sauce with 1 tablespoon of chopped mint, 1 tablespoon of chopped basil. You can use only mint or basil, that's fine too. Chopped garlic and all ingredients, mix it well together. Rub it all over both sides. Marinate it for 1 hour. Overnight would be the best. Preheat the grill to high heat. Take the rack out from the fridge for 15 minutes before grilling. I oil the grill with paper towel. First, sear the bone side down for 2 minutes. Flip and sear the meat side down for another 2 to 3 minutes.
Wow, that is great.
After searing both sides, reduce the heat to medium. Move the lamb to over indirect heat. Grill another 10 to 15 minutes. For the top side, we're going to form aluminum foil to a ball and place it underneath so that we can get the top side down. Flip it every 2 to 3 minutes. I like medium rare, so when the rack reach 125 Fahrenheit, that's perfect for me. Rest for 5 minutes. While the lamb is resting, we're going to make Panang curry. At medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil and lamb fat. Fry to get the lamb flavor out. Add 1 tablespoon of Panang curry and coconut milk, fish sauce, and palm sugar, or you can use regular sugar. Add any vegetable. I use asparagus. Sometimes I use peas. Cook a few minutes until the vegetable is cooked. Add bell pepper and kaffir lime leaf. And it's done. Now it's time to cut our lamb. Serve it with our Panang curry and of course, steamed rice. It looks very delicious. Now I'm going to show you how to cook lamb chop with an air fryer. First, cut off excess fat. I like to leave some fat so when you air fry it, you can get the fatty flavor. I found that buying the whole rack and cut it myself is cheaper than buying lamb chop at the store. Poke it so that marinade sauce can get into the meat. Use the same ingredients marinated in 1 hour. Overnight would be the best. Spray oil. Air fry at 390 Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. Flip to another side and air fry another 2 minutes. Wow, look at that! You will get medium rare lamb chop. I really enjoy cooking lamb chop by air fryer because it's easy and you get more flavor.
For some reason, the gamey smell of lamb it just goes perfectly with Panang curry. With steamed rice, you will love it. It's very, very good. Thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.